When he hears that fire alarm, Sam is always cool and calm. If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help you out. So move aside, make way for Fireman Sam, 'cause he's gonna save the day. Fireman Sam, 'cause he's brave to the core. Sam is the hero next door.
One, two, testing. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Well, that's another emergency dealt with, Sam.
Yes, it's a good job we put that barn out so quickly. That fire could have really spread.
Oh, look! Trevor's setting up the microphone for tonight's karaoke. I'm doing a duet with Mike Flood. We're singing our new song.
I'm sure it will be marvellous.
Do you think you can fix it, Mike?
Of course, Bronwyn. I'll just get me tools.
What was that?
It sounds like dripping water. You must have a leak in your cellar.
Oh, dear.
Ah, there you are.
Hello, sir. Hi, Penny.
Right, team, today's drill will be rescuing someone from behind a jammed door. Sam, would you like to show Penny and Elvis how it's done?
Of course, sir. But first I'll need a volunteer to be a little old lady stuck in the cupboard.
I need to learn the drill, so it can't be me.
Me neither.
Well, that only leaves you, sir. Will you be the little old lady in distress?
Well, duty calls, eh? Of course. I'll just get in the cupboard then, shall I?
That leak looks quite serious. Don't worry, I'll fix it at the same time as I do the doorknob.
Oh, thanks, Mike. Can I leave you to it? I want to go and see if Trevor has any Jefferson fire truck songs I can sing on the karaoke.
Of course, Bronwyn. I'm looking forward to singing later myself. Oh, Bronwyn, can you grab that bucket behind you? Yeah, that one. Can you put it by the door to stop me getting locked in? Yeah, I'll fix the handle later.
Here we go.
Cheers, love. La la la, la 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 la. Ooh, I like that beat. Ooh. I can practice my music and fix the leak both at the same time. Ooh, I mustn't forget that doorknob. Oh dear. It's more than a leak now.
I'm trying to remember the name of the song I wanted to sing. I think it had the word potato in it.
I don't know any songs about potatoes.
Or maybe that was who sang it,
Oh, I can't find me rubber stopper. It's in here somewhere. Oh, ha! Phew! There. Now, that doorknob. Where's me screwdriver? Ooh, what's that rumbling noise? Ow! Oh, that didn't work! Oh! What on earth am I going to do?
Righty-ho, sir. Ready to start the exercise.
Oh dear! Oh my! Help me! I'm a little old lady stuck behind a jammed door.
Right, the first thing we have to do is calm her down.
Oh dear! What?
So we need to stop her panicking. But above all, we need to stay calm and do one thing at a time.
I'm sorry, Sam. I can't hear you.
Neither can I.
How am I doing?
Very good, sir, but maybe a little too loud.
I'm a distressed old lady in an emergency situation. Of course I'm loud. Now stop whittering and get on with rescuing me.
Ooh, I know. I'll turn the water off at the mains. Now, where's the water supply tap? Oh, that's upstairs. I know! I'll tape up the pipe! Get off! I'm getting all stuck up! I can use that bucket to bail out the water! Oh no! I was supposed to fix that earlier! And now I'm trapped!
1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more, 4 make some chips, and so do many more.
Yes, well done, Dillis.
That's odd. I thought Mike could be here by now, setting up for his big duo with Elvis.
It could always do another one.
Maybe we should check up on Mike instead. He was fixing a leak for me.
Oh, I think your leak might have got a bit worse, Bronwyn.
We can't open the door. Mike was supposed to fix the handle.
Bronwyn? Is that you? Help! Help me! I'm trapped in the cellar with Lion, and it's filling up with water!
Lion? Oh, I'd better call Fireman Sam.
Lion's trapped in a flooded basement, and Mike's in there with him.
Well, get me out of here, and we'll go and rescue him.
The door seems to be stuck.
Penny's right. I can't move it either. I could always use the axe.
No. Don't worry about me. Go and rescue Mike. The public always comes first.
Well, if you're sure, sir. Come on then, let's go.
Good luck.
I hope Mike's okay. I need him to sing harmony with me.
Don't worry, Elvis. I'm sure he'll be as good as ever. Follow me. Right. He's in here, is he? Okay, Mike, I need you to stand back. I'm going to break the door down with my axe.
Right you are, Sam. Jump in here, Lion. It'll keep you dry.
Shouldn't you shut off the water?
I'll get the pump ready.
One thing at a time. The first thing we need to do is make sure Mike is safe. Mike! Are you a safe distance back yet?
Yes, Sam.
Grab my arm, Mike.
Well done, Sam.
Oh, Lion is safe.
You did stay very calm.
And you did one thing at a time.
Oh, I wish I'd done that. I wouldn't have got into such a mess.
Don't worry. At least you're safe.
Yes, thank you, Fireman Sam.
Come on, Mike. Let's go and do our duet.
Wait a minute, Elvis. One thing at a time, remember?
Yes, I'll shut the water off at the mains.
Elvis, can you help me get the pump to pump out all this water?
And I'll go and get old Mrs. Steele out of the cupboard. Then we can all meet at the quayside for Elvis and Mike's big number. Go on, Mike! Come on, Elvis! Rock it like the rock god! Very good! Come on, boys!
Splish, splosh, I'm having a wash.
Splash, splish, feel like a fish. Splish, splash, I'll be out in a flash. We're doing the splish, splash, shimmy, splish, splash, splash.
Hooray, hooray! Well done, boys. I mean, well done, men.
Move aside, make way for Fireman Sam, cause he's gonna save the day. Fireman Sam, cause he's brave to the core. Sam is the hero